gozaimasu! We are on our way for lunch first today. We are going to my favorite place, the Wagyu Yakiniku. I'm gonna bring them to eat some good meats, some halal good meat. So yeah, oh, we arrived already. Let's go in. Hi guys, so it's been an hour since the restaurant and we're supposed to go to Kamakura at Kanagawa area, but my freaking Google map sent me to Kamakura, a city in Tokyo. So now we're like stranded in this weird local place. But not weird, like it's very nice, very cultural, but then like we're dumb ass for us here. She got a lot of like fog coming up from the mouth. It smells like beef. Wow, okay, have a bite, have a bite. Oton? Masito? From the facial expression is delicious. Hey guys, we are in this nut shop and this is like my favorite ones. Last time I came in and bought one, it was not enough, so I had to buy like a lot. It's so good. It is the milk caramel cashew nut. So good. It's currently raining here. We're actually drizzling, luckily not raining. So pretty. Wow. Oh, the wind. Oh no. So we're gonna try and see what our luck. Yeah. Okay, now we're gonna try. You see her fortune. You put in 100 yen and then you just shake. Yeah, you say you flip over the whole there, right? You flip over. Make sure before you flip over, yeah, then you flip the thing until the stick comes. Okay, what number did you get? See. 55. 5? 55. 55. 55 here. It's the same, babe. Right. This is number 2. So take your paper. Okay. What's your luck? Opposite. Why? What you get? Why? Okay, you read first. No, it's literally behind you reading it. Yeah.
It's okay, she's early, you cannot read first.
Hey. Oh, is it a 98 thingy? Rude.
Yeah, that is so true.
Now it's my turn. Let me put a coin first. Mine is 58. Here's 58. Paper. She stand by down to read. Strong. Oh, it's a bad fortune. Oh my god, I got a bad fortune. Read fat, yeah. Nah. This sad.
Yep. For some more.
That's the wrong angle.
It should be smaller a bit.
I like mine thick.
Guys.
Yeah, I need to boost one.
Told you already. Only if you drew a bad fortune, please tie it into a rag. Never mind, maybe it's just for the year. So next year when we go to 2025, yeah. Should add some slow song. Meow, 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 meow.
This is nuts tempo.
Meow, 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 meow. You want some Bollywood off a different angle?
Okay, so I'm not happy with my fortune. I wanna get a new one. The only one I believe in is Allah, okay? $15 here. Why not 17? They're laughing at my bad fortune.
Tie it again.
So mean. Have to tie it again. Okay, I'm gonna waste my 100 yen. Can never escape from work. Currently at Uniqlo, trying to stock out some more heat tech because the place that we're gonna go tomorrow onwards will be negative degrees. She's debating on which color now. She's gonna get a turtleneck. Yeah, they don't have the turtleneck heat tech, the ultra warm one here. I'm gonna have like up to, I think this is the normal jazzy one, right? Or is it extra warm? Extra warm.
No, it's not extra warm.
Yeah. This is so cool. They literally cook in front of us. Wow. I ordered the premium one. Look at the bowl. Gold. That's nuts one. And then this is Izaki's one. Let's go! Last minute shopping! Hey, I need this here for my double chin. Oh my god! Goodbye, Donki! Not us saying we won't shop and then we shop. Anyways, now we're gonna head back to our Airbnb and then we'll see you guys tomorrow.